Today is the last day for the flash purchase of this luminous quickstand earphone with a double-digit price and extremely excellent sound quality. And also comes a purple light lamp as a gift. The lava version of quickstand makes your headphones unique and the most comfortable headphones I've ever used. They will never hang on their ears. They are very light and no longer have strange pressure. The battery life is up to 30 hours, so if they are in stock, I strongly recommend that you buy some yourself. This discounted price will not last forever.